Reorder paragraphs is one of the most tricky tasks in PTE, but what if I told you there's a systematic connector words method that helps you build the paragraph order like a puzzle? Today I'm giving you the updated 2026 approach that improves accuracy fast, even without guesswork. Most students look for topic sentences and conclusions, but still get confused when sentences seem similar. The truth is, paragraphs connect through logic. Once you track connector words like however, therefore, for example, you can reorder paragraphs like a chain, no intuition, just structure. Every reorder paragraphs question has 4 paragraph types. Opening sentence introduces the topic, no references before it. Supporting sentence expands, explains, or describes. Example, detailed sentence contains, for instance, such as specific data or names. Concluding sentence summarizes or gives a result. But to connect them quickly, we rely on something far more powerful: connector words. Here's the method step by step. Step 1, find the opening paragraph. It won't start with however, therefore, in contrast, also, this, these, such. It introduces a topic with no backward reference. Step 2, spot connector words. These words reveal relationships, continuation. Moreover, furthermore, in addition, contrast, however, although, on the other hand, result, therefore, as a result, consequently, example. For instance, for example, such as reference words. This, these, those, the former, latter, each connector word points to what must come before it. Connect backwards. Step 3, build links like a chain. If one sentence ends with a problem, next sentence begins with solution. If one introduces a concept, next explains or exemplifies it. If one mentions this issue, previous sentence must describe the issue. Answer falls into place logically. Let's test it with a simplified example. Paragraphs given: A, renewable energy adoption is increasing around the world. B, for instance, many countries are investing in large-scale solar farms. C, however, challenges remain, particularly regarding energy storage. D, this is because renewable sources like wind and solar depend on weather conditions. Step 1, identify the opener. Sentence A introduces the topic, must be paragraph 1. Step 2, find connectors. Sentence B begins with, for instance, must follow a general statement. Sentence C starts with, however, signals contrast, must come after a challenge or limitation is introduced. Sentence D starts with, this is because, refers to a previous idea, must explain a challenge. Correct order: A, B, C, D. We used connector words, not guessing. To solve faster, train your eye for sentences with names, dates, examples. Never first sentences starting with however or therefore. Never first sentences using this slash these slash it. Must follow something. If 2 paragraphs logically fit, group them and lock the pair. Reorder is about links, not order hunting. Identify pairs, build the chain. 3 mistakes that hurt your score. Choosing the first sentence by style instead of logic. Ignoring reference words like this, those, such. Trying full arrangement before identifying pairs. Find the pairs, place them, structure solves itself. That's the connector words method, fast, logical, and highly accurate for PTE 2026. Practice with 10 questions today and track connector links. In a week, you'll solve reorder paragraphs with confidence. If this helped, like and subscribe and comment a paragraph puzzle you struggle with. I'll solve it step by step in the next video. See you soon.